Hello everybody, this is Vinnie with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, where we create simple, powerful Excel tools that connect your spreadsheets directly to Google Maps. No coding, no setup, and no extra software. Everything runs straight inside Excel. You just paste your data, click a button, and let our Excel tool do all the hard work. And I've been helping businesses and everyday Excel users save time and cut out repetitive tasks for more than 16 years. We've got more than 7,000 happy customers already using our tools, and when you call, you actually reach me, not a robot. So let me tell you about one of my clients, David. David, he runs a small delivery and service company. So every week, he needs to figure out how far his customers were from his main warehouse, so he could analyze coverage areas and plan efficiently the service zones. He's got to do that for his employees. And with hundreds and sometimes thousands of addresses to check, he was stuck doing it manually, opening Google Maps, measuring one location at a time, copying the straight line distance, and pasting it to Excel. It was frustrating, repetitive, and ate up 10, 15, sometimes hours of his week, right? Then David found our tool, our Excel straight line distance calculator. He downloaded it, opened Excel, and within minutes, everything changed for him. He pasted his list of starting and destination addresses into the sheet, clicked one button, and watched as Excel automatically calculated the direct, or as the crow flies, as some call it, distance between every point in the spreadsheet. No more copying, no more switching between tabs, no more manual lookups. And David couldn't believe how fast it worked his first time he tried it. What used to take him days now took less than 30 minutes. He was able to finish his reports early, saved a bunch of hours every week, and freed up enough time to focus on growing his business instead of crunching the data. And by the end of the year, he'd saved more than $28,000 in wasted labor just by switching to our tool. And that's exactly why I built the calculator, for people like David. And I keep hearing from people who are spending hours every day measuring distances manually, and when all of this could be done in a matter of an extremely short time, seconds, maybe minutes. If your data is already in Excel, why waste your time copying and pasting it into other programs? With my tool, there is no software to learn, no subscription fees, no steep learning curve. Just open Excel, paste your data, click once, and you're done. And if you're tired of doing manual distance calculations, it's time to make that switch. Download the Excel straight line distance calculator. I've got the link below in the description. It's a one-time purchase. There's going to be no ongoing fees, and you own the tool for life. First of all, here's what makes our tool stand out. It uses the Google Maps and Google Maps data to calculate direct point-to-point distances, accurate to within a fraction of a mile, about 1/100th of a mile. It's flexible enough to handle full addresses, zip codes, city names, and even latitude and longitude coordinates, or geocodes, all in one batch. And you can process hundreds or even thousands of addresses pairs in just minutes. And it works anywhere in the world. If Google Maps recognizes it, this tool can measure it. Thousands of users, from small business owners to field technicians to large logistics and service teams, they rely every day on our Excel tools to save them time, to cut costs, and simplify their daily operations. And we're proud to have earned over 150 five-star reviews so far as of today from real users who say that our Excel tools have completely transformed and helped them into their day-to-day operations. Save them hours again, reduce errors, and simplify tasks they thought once were impossible to automate. And when you need help, kind of one of the beautiful things about us is that you can reach me directly. My name is Vinnie. You can call me, email me, or chat me live onto our website, ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. You won't find in call centers, no bots, just real support from the guy who actually built this tool and wants to help you get better results. And then click the link below to get the Excel straight line distance calculator, and start saving a bunch of hours for you every week. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would help me a lot, and also you won't miss any notifications, new tools, and new updates and new videos that we put out every week, and just giving you some time-saving tutorials. And again, this is Vinnie from Excel Distance Calculators. Thank you for watching.